know about you, but when the sky looks like this, I am definitely making a pot of comforting soup. And this potato leek soup with bacon and cheese is the ultimate rainy day meal. It's basically a bowl of loaded mashed potatoes. Can't go wrong. You're gonna love it. Start by cooking your bacon. The best way to do this is in the oven. Twist each slice of bacon and lay them on a sheet pan. You can fit a whole pack of bacon on the tray, there's minimal shrinking, and it sure beats standing over a greasy frying pan. Pop that in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Next, you're gonna slice up a large leek. You're just gonna do the white and light green parts. You can set aside the leafy tops for making veggie broth or just compost them. Leeks are naturally very dirty because of how they grow. You'll see some dirt in between the layers as you're cutting into them. Once I have my leeks sliced up, I like to throw everything in a salad spinner and give it a really good wash and rinse a few times to make sure that all of that dirt is washed away. Next, you're gonna wash, peel, and slice about 6 potatoes. These are just white all-purpose potatoes. I have a personal hatred for russet potatoes. You use whatever potato makes you happy. They don't need to be tiny, just cut them into smaller pieces so that they will cook and soften faster in the pot. Melt some butter in a large pot and add in your chopped leeks. Sauté them on medium heat for a few minutes until they've cooked down and have some brown crispy edges on them. Then you can add in whatever seasonings you like. I usually do this Greek seasoning blend, garlic powder, and nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. Toast the spices with the butter and the leeks, and then add in roughly 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm using chicken broth concentrate and water. Then add in your potatoes, cover, and bring to a boil. Once it's boiling, you can uncover it and let the potatoes cook for about 30 minutes until they're fork tender and mashable. Then turn off the heat and use an immersion blender to blend everything smooth, or you can carefully transfer it into a standard blender. Next, add some milk or cream or whatever dairy substitute you like to thin out the soup to your desired texture. I like it to be pretty thick, so I don't add a ton, maybe half a cup. By now, your bacon should be ready. Isn't it beautiful? Why does anyone stand over a frying pan? Give that bacon a rough chop. Then you can stir in a handful of grated cheese. I use marble, you use whatever cheese makes you happy. And also add in some of that chopped bacon, but reserve some of each for topping the soup when you serve it. I also like to make tiny grilled cheese sandwiches to serve it with. They're just mini pitas from the grocery store with more of that grated cheese, toasted in a pan with butter. And then you're ready to serve it up. I love a shallow bowl for meals like this. Top it with more of that cheese and bacon, pop in a couple of mini grilled cheeses, and dig into your warm and cozy dinner.